Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by locating the OBD-II port under the dash. Do not delay. Once connected, turn the key to Accessory and read stored trouble codes. You should write down code numbers and freeze frame snapshots because they show exact conditions when the light appeared. Make sure to note pending versus confirmed codes and any live data that looks abnormal, RPM, temp, or fuel trim, so you know what to address next. Once you have the codes, diagnose methodically. Inspect hoses, wiring, and connectors, then test the most common culprits like MAF, O2 sensor, and gas cap. Use a multimeter, smoke tester, or swap a known good sensor to confirm. If a part fails, replace or repair it, and then clear the code with the scanner to reset the system. Make sure to record what you changed, because documentation helps if the issue returns or another. After repair, clear codes with the scanner and start the engine to watch live data and readiness monitors. You want sensors returning to normal values. Then drive a varied route for 10 to 30 minutes so the ECU can complete self-tests and reevaluate the fault. If the check engine light comes back, rescan immediately and compare new codes to the originals. The key troubleshooting tip is to recheck connectors and grounds first, because intermittent wiring faults often mimic failed parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.